Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. For the new subscribers, welcome. Today's recipe is from this 30-minute Thai recipe book. So I've chosen to make the quick green curry chicken. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. I have a handful of fresh cilantro that I'm going to finely chop. I also have 6 scallions that I'm going to slice. I have some Thai green curry paste as well as 1 can of coconut milk. My next ingredient is 2 chicken breasts that I have soaked in some vinegar and water solution, then rinsed under cool running water. Next, I'm cutting my 2 chicken breasts into medium-sized cubes. Now that all my ingredients have been prepped, I am ready to cook my quick green chicken curry. The next step is to preheat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a skillet over high heat. Now that my oil is ready, I'm adding my chopped vegetables as well as the diced chicken breasts. Then I'm using a spatula to mix all the ingredients together. This next step is not in the recipe book. There were no seasonings in this recipe, but I've added some seasoning salt to taste. I'm letting my pieces of chicken breast cook for 4 minutes or until they are slightly brown. While the diced chicken breasts are cooking, I'm lightly sprinkling some onion powder as well as some garlic powder. I'm giving it a quick stir. As you can see, the liquid has boiled down. Moving on to the last steps of this recipe. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of Thai green curry as well as 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm stirring those 2 ingredients with the chunks of chicken breast until the curry blends with the coconut milk. I'm allowing that to cook for an additional 5 minutes. I'm giving my curry a quick stir and I'm continue cooking it covered until my sauce is thick and my chicken is completely cooked. I served my quick green chicken curry with some steamed white rice. So chefs, my thoughts on this recipe, it is absolutely tasty. I can also say that I enjoy making it because it was very easy and very quick. I can't wait to try out the other recipes in this cookbook. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.